Hey guys, welcome back to my new vlog. It's me, Vedant, where today I'm going to be making decorations for Diwali. It's a dia plate. So first we will need a lot of supplies. So first is a plate, a paper plate. Second is scissors. Some are optional in this, so one optional is a ribbon, some glitter, and we need a Sharpie and pencils. And I'm pretty sure this is the last one, markers. And the last one is a glue gun, which I don't have, but I'm going to bring on soon. Okay, so let's get started. So you want to take your paper plate and your scissors, and you want to cut it over here, and cut the inside of 3 layers, like this. They cut in. From the inside, what you cut in, use the leftovers to make a dia. After you're done making your dia, you have to trace it with your Sharpie that you have. So I'm suggesting you should use your pencil first, and then outline it with your Sharpie if you make a mistake. After you're done with that, you want to take your dia and you want to start coloring it. You can use a lot of different colors. Well, you can actually choose if you want to color the plate from the outside first or the dia. But I'm going to start with this one first. Okay, you can use any colors, and this one you use your markers. Put this side. Okay. I'm using brush markers, so I like them better than like other type of markers. So I want to make my dia colorful. So what I usually would use, I would use any type of shade of orange, and I feel like this one's good. And then red, yellow. These 3 colors are my main target. Okay, starting from the top. From the top, you want to make, I'm going to make my outside. Yeah, I'm going to make my outside, from the outside, orange, yellow, and from the inside, you see this little thing? I'm going to make it yellow, orange inside there. So outside yellow, inside orange. Let's start. Okay. When you're coloring in the paper, it might like see light. Look, it's like you can barely see it because it's paper. It's not paper. It's a plate, not paper, so it's harder to see. Okay. I was thinking to paint it, but I think painting will be a bit too much. Okay. So yeah, I'm done with my yellow, and now from the inside, I'm gonna make it my orange. Okay, almost done. There you go. All right, that's how it is for now. And I'm thinking to make, red. Okay, I have an idea. I'm gonna put red over here, and then from the inside, I might do green, maybe green. Okay. Okay, we're almost done. Alright, we've done our red. Where's my lid? Okay, turn it on. You can't see. Alright. Now, you can do it any color. Yeah. I'm doing green. Green will look good. Okay, here's green. Okay. Green is done, so now I will use, I can use any color, I just can't think of. Here, I'll use purple. Yeah, purple. And then after my purple, I already know what color I'm going to use. It is blue. Okay, I have a lot of shades of blue, but I feel like light blue would work the best. Okay, just color that in. Diwali is actually one of my favorite festivals. Second is probably holy. Yeah. Okay. Almost done. And you need to like color it in. Don't leave that much like white spots when you're coloring. Almost done. There. As you can see, just you don't need to make it perfect, but I'm done with my idea. Looks pretty good. Just I'm not telling you to like fully like make it like color. You can leave some light, but try to do your best. Okay. Now we're into the idea. We should put it on the side for now. Now we need to use our plate. The one that we cut. From the outside we can color it. And I was thinking to paint this one, but we don't need to paint it anymore. The markers are taking up all the space. God. Okay. So, what can I use? Okay, I'm gonna use dark orange for the outside, and for the inside I'm gonna use yeah, okay, so I'm gonna use this, and I should make, sorry, I'm having trouble for markers, that's kind of, yeah. Okay, I can use purple, yeah, that's all, these two. Okay. Okay, from the inside, I'll use orange, and for the outside, I'll use purple. It's gonna take a lot of time though. Okay guys, finally, after like an hour, oh my god, my hand is so sore and my arm. I'm finally done with my orange and purple plate. So now I put my DL over here, and I need my hot glue gun. So yeah, and now we're almost done. We're halfway done. We just need to add some decorations and our hot glue gun. Okay, so hot glue won't work because it's gonna take a lot of time. It can't really stick. So we need a hot glue gun. So we don't need that. All right. Okay. Let's just put our markers now. That way, I'm gonna do my decorations now, or my optional stuff. Optional supplies. Okay, so I have orange and silver glitter. It's a glitter marker. Okay, so we can put this all over the plate and in the dia. So I'm gonna do it in the plate for now. Okay, so yeah, this over here, you have to just push. It comes out like that. Okay, put it now in my plate. Okay. Doesn't look as bad. Come on. There you go. Looks okay. I think I added a bit too much. I'm gonna be putting my silver glue on my dia. And I put my orange one on this. You can kind of see sparkling. Okay, I'm gonna put in my dia now. Let's open this one. Okay, let's start now. Okay, now I'm gonna rub it with my hands. Okay. Okay, I think I'm done with this. Okay. I'm done with this, and I'm just gonna let it dry out over here for a bit. Okay guys, so now I'm done with my idea, and I glued it in the back, and now I'm gonna do my optional part. I'm gonna be, from the glue gun, I'm gonna be gluing it over here and sticking out my ribbon. So you'll see the ribbon in a bit. Okay guys, so now I'm fully done with my idea. I've been adding a lot of colors and glitter, and now I'm done with my ribbon too. So I can like poke a nail, get it open, stick it, and now I'm done with my idea. This is how the end will look. You have a ribbon, you have your colors. Okay guys, so this is all for my paper plate craft. I added a ribbon, and this is the final touch. And I hope you enjoyed my paper craft video. And I want to happy Diwali from us to you and your family. Till then, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.